Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in previous videos about TicketTailor, we were speaking about logging in to TicketTailor, and we weren't exactly successful with getting the confirmation email from them in time of the video shooting. So I've decided to stop the video at around 8-minute mark and create a new one with the TicketTailor login information. So once you manage to get the confirmation email with the 5-digit number to confirm that you are who you claim you are, you will get to basically next step of creating your account. Right now, we have to create a box office. So organization name, let's go like this. Country, it's Slovakia, so they got that automatically right. Then we go with euros. What are you using TicketTailor for? And we have a couple of options in here. We have training, workshops, classes or courses, charity fundraisers, community or private events, festival, conference, expo or trade show, venue, tour, attraction or adventure farms, museum, gallery or leisure facility, sports team, competition or race, live music, clubbing or entertainment, shopping event, trade fair or market, as an agent or official reseller, or I'm just testing or researching on behalf of a client or other. Let's go with tour, attraction or adventure farm. That's what I really like from all those options. We can also go with a festival. You know what? Let's go with a festival. Do any of the following apply to your organization? Let's go like this, and yes, I agree. Create a box office. Straight away, we have the sign up scratched. Now we have to add a new event. On the top right corner, as you can see, there's your sidebar where you can basically start or micromanage the whole account. This is a ticket to your tutorial. That tutorial to your event. No events currently listed, but we'll be pressing this quite often. Mr. Johnny will help us get through. At the moment, we have not available next event, or orders received, or ticket issued, and also past even like 52 weeks. We haven't been able to get anything done because we're just starting. On top we have events where we don't have any, orders, promote, and settings. Let's go to the events. And I know you are watching this video only because you really want to see how to create an event, so let's start out. Add a new event. Enter the event name. Let's go with MKT Festival. Which are going to happen? Let's start with a date. Let's go with 23. You know what? Let's go with 27th of May at 6 p.m. and ends Saturday. Let's go, let's push it till Sunday, 10:30 p.m. So it's a 3-day event or 3-day festival. This is a recurring event. Let's not go there. Venue name, venue postcode. Let's go with Fun Street 55. Slovak Republic, and it's not an online event, so like this. A description: you will have tons of fun for free. We can choose the upload image, choose or upload image. With upload, easily you can just use any type of file like I'm using right now. The little wolf. Okay, let's say we have this covered, but let's actually go with normal festival stuff. Add a new ticket type, add a new ticket group, and a new bundle. So add a new ticket type. General admission. Price, let's be 0, and let's go with 100. Save ticket. Your ticket has been updated. But let's say we really want to go with like price will be €5. I don't know why I wrote it down like this. Time zone GMT +2 Bratislava, currency is euro, and also we can make a donation, but it will just complicate things. Advanced settings. Customize the next that appears on the event button and in the title of the event page. Example, buy tickets for, yeah, like this. Let's copy paste it. Tickets become available when the event is published. Tickets become unavailable when the event is taken off sale or the event passes. Then redirect order confirmation page and many more, and save event. As you can see, right now we have to enable online payments powered by Stripe. But in any time of the day, you can preview event page. And we haven't done, like, this took exactly 2 or 3 minutes, and we have our ticket running. This is Fun Streets of Play. It's in Glasgow for some reason, but yeah, it was just the funsies. But we can go and share it on Facebook, tweet it, tracking links, or even embed it. Then we can enable online payments, which is one-click stuff, and you have to get the Stripe for it, which is really nice integration between, and it's in 18 days. This easily, you can create an event. You can ask for exactly how much money you want. Also, there's exactly how many tickets you want to sell for exact amount of money you want to make. You can add address, you can add anything you actually really want into this. You can invite your friends, you can make it viral. You can make it for charity, it can be free, it doesn't have to be free, so tons of options. Nice thing is you are at the moment not paying anything. But if you want to create a bigger event, for example, like 5,000 people, obviously, there it's going to be charged. So guys, this is the easiest way, in my opinion, in the world, how you can create and micromanage your event. You can bring it online and you can share it among your friends, so they can share it as well. You will get some revenue and all of you can have a lot of fun creating it. Also, you can put it in your CV. It's most definitely something that is valuable, these types of experiences. And also, don't worry about TicketTailor, because it took like 30 minutes for them to send me the activation code. So you have to wait a bit. That's maybe the only downside so far that I've experienced. Other than that, it's pretty seamless and easy to navigate. Anyhow, if you have any types of questions about TicketTailor, how to set up it, how to add more to it, we'll be creating probably more videos about TicketTailor, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any types of questions, please leave them underneath this video. Have a great time and see you soon. Goodbye.